Welcome back to another episode of NaytonTech. Today we're going to be going over the Fox Novo Selfie Stick and Tripod. This is kind of like the old, the use-on one that I did a while back. This one does have one disadvantage, is that it only works with your cell phones or a product that fits inside here. For a day-to-day carry with the cell phone, this is perfect. But for you guys that have the, let's see. Well, you can use, this has a couple different attachments on it. So this one actually comes with your normal camera, 1/4-inch mount. It has your standard mount for the GoPro, which actually somebody just asked on my other video if this one would work with the GoPro. I don't believe it will. I mean, you might be able to get the GoPro to fit in here sideways possibly, or hold it like this and use it. But if you want a little more of a true GoPro mount, this one is probably going to be the one you're going to want. Well, this one doesn't twist or anything like the other one, so you just kind of hold it at whatever angle you need. It has this attachment that comes with it. It has the standard 3-prong, so you can use whatever attachment you need for your GoPro. It also has a cell phone mount. So you pop these over and it will hold your cell phone or product like a cell phone. Oh, gotta go in a little further. And hold like that. And obviously it's got your full swivel. Oop, not there. Has your full swivel. You can set it up how you want, whatever angles. This also does turn out into a tripod, just like the other one does. It seems to have a little more, wants to spring up. Here's the bag. I'm going to move it out of the way so you guys can kind of see this. So it could be that I just haven't used this one very much, but these feet seem to have a little bit more spring in them than the use-on one. When it sits down, it doesn't have as much spring in it. But like I said, that could also be I've used this one a little bit more. This one also comes with a different style. You'll notice this one has the Bluetooth button built in, which I prefer. This one, since it's designed to work with other products besides your cell phone, you don't have to carry the Bluetooth button with you all the time. So it's plus or minus there. If you're going to use it with a phone, it does have, looks like this monster ring on it. You can slide up and carry with you, and it does pop out. Just lift up and push. It's a little stiff for. And here's your Bluetooth button. It is not rechargeable, but it does come with 2 watch batteries. It does include these in the package. You just twist the back a little bit, pop it off, put your batteries in there. Obviously you wouldn't need this for a GoPro. Pop that back in. So this does sit on there. I mean, it twists, but it's not going to want to slide off very easily, especially when you get it right up in this area. That's pretty much it that comes with this. Like I said, for a GoPro, this thing would be great. But a nice thing is it comes with the attachment that you would need if you're going to use a cell phone or a similar product that will fit inside this clamp, which pretty much would fit any cell phone. My Pixel 2 fits in this just fine. And then any other attachments that will also fit this. I know there are a ton of GoPro attachments that work with these 3-prong design. So depending on what you're needing, this one will work great. If you're wanting just a simple, sorry about that. If you're wanting just a simple Bluetooth for your phone. This one's the best one I've found. I like how this one is just, it's simple, it's solid, and it just works. This one, the only thing I don't like about this one, and this is my personal preference, because I don't own any GoPros. Everything I use is either with my phone or with one of my Canon, not point and shoot cameras, but handheld camera, which I guess would work okay with this style attachment. But I have a couple other handheld mounts that I use for those. So depending on what you're needing, this one is basically, they're both the same thing, just different attachments at the top. So take your pick. These are both great selfie sticks, both great portable tripods for whatever camera you will need. So if you have any questions, post it below. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more videos. I've got a bunch more coming out, and we'll see you next time.